guys, me Mikey. Welcome back to Mikey Macho Garage. And today we're going to be installing this Class 3 trailer hitch on my dad's 2015 Toyota Highlander. So if you want to see me do that, stay tuned. So the first thing that we did is that we jacked up the car so that we could have space to put on the trailer thing. So we jacked up the car on these jack stands. So the next step is, once you're under the car, you have to remove two covers. There's one on this side, and you can see that it's held on by these screws. And on the other side, there's another one that also has screws. So right now we're working on the driver's side of the back, and what you're going to do next is you're going to remove all 5 of these covers. So now we're on the right side of the car, and you're going to have to remove these 2 bolts and the same covers. So after you've removed both of the covers, the next step is you want to remove this part of the bumper trim, and underneath it you're going to find some clips that you're going to need to take out. So this is on the right side. After you've bolted the trailer hitch onto the frame, this is how it should look. All these bolts are tightened. And this is the left side, and as you can see, the trailer hitch is also bolted on the frame, and these bolts are all tightened and torqued up. And once you're done with all of that, you want to put these 2 pieces on. They snap right on. So this is how the covers should look after you've put them on. And even though the instructions said to cut it, we were able to put it on without cutting it. And this is on the right side. However, on the left side, we did have to cut it. And you can see right here and in the back. And this is what the finished product looks like installed. In our next video, we're going to show you how to connect the wiring harness to our trailer hitch. And that's the end of the video. I hope you guys found this video helpful on how to install a trailer hitch. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Mikey Macho Garage content. Bye!